You have found the Lower Mainland's best gutter cleaning service. Extreme Gutter Cleanse by Jordan Douglas. Here are 4 of several reasons why Extreme Gutter Cleanse the best. Firstly, our proprietary double sponge method gets unrivaled results. The results are so good that we are able to provide a 6-month guarantee on workmanship. That is the strongest guarantee in the business. Our Extreme Gutter Cleanse service is one of the reasons why we enjoy a good reputation online. We have an A+ rating with Better Business Bureau. We are rated 4.6 out of 5 on Google. Also, we have over 10 years serving strata properties and experience working with all of the major property management companies. In 2026, Jordan Douglas is willing to match competitors' prices so that you can have the peace of mind that our Extreme Gutter Cleanse customers enjoy. We are townhouse cleaning experts. We clean almost all the outside surfaces around your property, including siding, roof moss control, dryer vents, and concrete.